Interesting decisions of Hazrat Ali, R.A. The judgments based on intelligence and justice of Hazrat Syedna Ali Al-Murtaza I were known throughout Arabia. That is why other religions apart from Muslims, people used to approach Hazrat Ali for solving their problems. When you would give a decision with your knowledge and wisdom, people would accept this decision wholeheartedly because you always made decisions according to the requirements of justice and fairness. During this period, he made such historic decisions regarding mathematics that great mathematicians expressed surprise at these decisions. Once there was a dispute between three men over the distribution of 17 camels. They came to the service of Hazrat Ali for a just decision, and while explaining their problem, they said, "We have 17 camels, one of which is a share of the total camels, is half, while the share of the second is 1/3, and the third is 1/9 of the total number of camels. Therefore, may you tell us a plan so that the camels can be divided among us without slaughtering them, and our quarrel will end." After listening to these three, Hazrat Ali ordered a camel from Bait al-Mal and added it to the 17 camels. Now the total number of camels was 18. He gave the first person, whose share was half of all the camels, half of the 18 camels, i.e. 9 camels. Then he gave the second person, whose share was a third of the 18 camels, i.e. 6 camels, and then in the end, he gave the 9th part of 18 camels, i.e. 2 camels, to the third person whose share was the 9th of the total camels. In this way, with your intelligence and wisdom, you distributed 9 camels to the first, 6 to the second and 2 camels to the third, making a total of 17 camels among the 3 men, without being bitten, while 1 camel, which was called from Bait al-Mal, was returned. Bait al-Mal was sent. Khalifai Rashidin, p. 126 in summary.